Hey guys, today we're here with Suraj, Jen, a couple of our friends. Well, Virendra's here too. And before we get into the video, Jeff has something to say.
Really, bro? Ronin!
So, back to the video, guys. Today we're washing our bikes. We're washing this Harley Iron 883. We're washing this
ZX6R!
There we go! And we're washing my bike, the Gsxr 600. So, let's get to it.
Alright, so first we're gonna clean the chain because that's the most.
Wait.
Come on, man!
I forgot to mention, his bike is completely clean. So the R6, Yamaha R6, is sitting quietly and peacefully sleeping today.
Alright, so we're gonna clean the chain first because it's the most dirtiest part of the bike. And you don't want to be cleaning your bike and then work on the chain because you're dirty. You're dirty. Yeah.
So we thought of cleaning the bikes, but then before we start doing that, we're gonna be turning it on, warming it up so that it's easier for the water to flow down. Is that right?
So it's easier for the dirty gunk to like flow down because it's hot, right? And then when you put the soap and stuff, it's gonna like all flow down. I don't know if that's
So we don't know if it's, you know, true or not.
Just to be safe, maybe we'll just warm it up halfway through.
Yeah.
Not all the way hot.
And also it sounds good, so I just want to turn it on anyways. Whoa! Nice.
A few moments later.
This step we're gonna use the degreaser and let it set for 10 minutes. Let all the degrease out.
So you guys see, they had to like decrease the chain, but I don't have a chain drive because you know Harley. It's a belt drive, so all I gotta do is like check all these like lumps. If it's all okay, then I'm done. I don't need to lube it. I don't need to clean it. It's fine.
Alright guys, before we continue forward, I would like to tell you guys that you guys can find Suraj and Jen's channel down in the description below. And he's opening a new channel for biking and other adventurous stuff. And she has a channel for beauty. So go check them out.
Trying to get some.
So guys, we don't have, you know, the water sprayer, so we're doing it the budget way with the plastic water bottle, and it has like some kind of, you know,
Squeeze.
It squirts. It squirts. See that? It squirts.
we're gonna do.
Yeah, that's actually
It works. It
that's
squirts.
actually big.
So the reason why you will need a pressured water sprayer because you don't want to be wiping it with wet towel because you might scratch your fairing. So it's the way to go. Alright guys, next step, we have this sprayer and inside of this we have this solution called the Mr. Pink by Chemical Guys. Yeah, and this is for something. It's used for
Help me! Help me!
So what we're gonna do is like we're gonna spray it all over the bike and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Then all this dirt, gunk will just fly off. Alright. Guys, watch this. Dude, he's not even cleaning the bike anymore. Everything's clean.
He's pissed off, guys. He's pissed off, man. So we're adding some soap in our soap water, and then we have another bucket that's just plain water for rinsing our towels. So we have to separate the buckets now. So you don't have to put that much. Just keep, as long as it's really foamy, then it's good. Yeah, stir it.
So now we finished with the soaping part, and now we're gonna rinse it with clear water. After rinsing it with clear water, we're gonna wipe it with microfiber towels.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in for our bike wash video, and we'll have some B-roll for you guys to enjoy after this. But before that, remember to check out our friends Suraj and Jennifer's channels down in the description. The links are there. Anyways, bye.